Cool up to the room temperature. When you get this is called nori, the seaweed. And you take the seeds out. That's a two sides. One side is shiny, the other side is kind of not so shiny. So you always put the not shiny side up so they can grab the rice better. And this side is shinier so it looks better. Okay.
So what is it called again? I'm sorry. Can you show the
rice? You have to leave about inch or 2 inches off the rice. Okay, you see it? And if you have avocado, of course everybody have avocado, right? And you just put avocado in here. Or raw carrots, or the imitation, what do you call crab meat?
I think that one's made from like pollock or something.
Okay, so we open one up, we take half apart. One is too much, so we use half. And if you like cheese, cream cheese, make a cream cheese. White radish, daikon, they pickle it, Japanese pickle it. One of the monks actually created this dish, and his name is called takuan. So they name after him, called takuan. So this in Japanese called takuan. It's actually very tasty. So we're gonna make it colorful, right, like this. Then when you wrap it, you wrap the first part like this. You squeeze it so they stick together. But this one have to take it out. Otherwise they go roll it inside. And you keep rolling. About halfway you turn around, turn over, then you squeeze it again. You can make it square one, you can make a round one, you can make a triangle shape. Depends. You know, if I want to make a triangle, what I do, I just squeeze the top like this. See, then you become triangle. See? If you want to make a round, you just kind of push it down. Make a square, you just kind of, you mold it yourself, okay? Then you always cut half first. So you cut half, and you cut half, and another half. So that way there'll be even thickness. And also, when you cut like this, they broke. So always cut half first. So each piece of sushi can make about 8 pieces. Here.